Hi, welcome back. Let's have a look at a couple of other things that we haven't covered yet. If we have a look at the maintenance menu and we go down to opening balances, you'll find a grid that lists all of the opening balances for the beginning of that financial year. So you can see that we've got all those items there, and we can amend them if for some reason there is an error or you want to split one into two or more values. Again, you will very rarely need to use that screen, but it is there for just in case. Other thing is special functions. It's really just there. If you go back to a former year and come back, it does automatically recalculate the opening balances, but just in case it doesn't bring a balanced item, you can recalculate the opening balances for a particular year and it will do that for you. Now, the only other thing that we've got there was a little option. Well, firstly, I suppose we can say there is a calendar. If you need to use the calendar at all, then you have it monthly, weekly, daily, and the schedule shows you what's already there and coming up. And yes, just like any other calendar that you can keep. Now, the other thing is logbook. This is still in its infancy, okay, but it can be used. You put in your various cars. So again, if you have a look at the raffle, it's basically just a name, and you'll have your various vehicles there. Travel purposes, same thing again. Is to have a fairly standardized, like office to client or client to office, or whatever descriptions you like to use in your normal logbook, you put in there. Then you've got logbook entries. So here you can choose your vehicle, and here we already have the Toyota and the Ferrari, with the various kilometers done, business kilometers and so on like that. So you can get a percentage at the end of a given period. So yeah, it's all fairly straightforward. You start off with the vehicle, the date of travel, the starting kilometer, finishing kilometer, number of kilometers done, what percentage was business, and it calculates that. And you choose the various function, office to client, and any other notes that you wish to put in there. Like, for instance, it could be office to client and the client's John Smith. And it just takes you back. There is some more work that we are going to be doing on this, particularly the getting the distance between two locations. So we're working on that now, and that will appear shortly. I think that is that. Oh, we just have construction industry supplies to go, so that will be in the next video. Thank you.